Hey guys, today we're gonna install the LED for the rear bumper. First you need to take those one off, the OEM one. Just go underneath, you push the tab here and you push behind, it's gonna come out. Then fish, take a brush, whatever, and then fish the wire back here. And don't use the blue square things you need to crimp the wire on. Use those things here. Those are like this. Basically you crimp it one side, the other side, and then when you eat it, it's gonna glue itself to the wire, so you will never have any corrosion problem or whatever. It's gonna be like, you know, set for life. If you're asking, those are GTR for my brake light flasher. Same thing, GTR for my backup light. Those are like super bright. Once it's done, the other side is done. So basically they actually are brighter than the one on my tail light. So